Hello, my love muffins. It is Jalea and I'm back here with a beautiful look for this Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine to all those who may have one or may not, but just still happy love day to you. And I just wanted to come here with a quick, cute, it's really monochromatic at the end of the day because I really wanted it to be a passionate look. Like the color that I came up with to me just represents gushy love, you know, like that's how I feel with my look. And I paired it with a nice head wrap. I thought this look would be appealing, especially for those who have a little bit of time, because Valentine's Day this year falls in like the middle of the week. We want to be able to get from work, get from a meeting, or just being at home with the kids, something quick and easy to go and meet the hubs, the bae, husband, whatever you want to coin it, to go meet the love of your life. You want it quick, but you want it to be like, yes, like, you know what I'm saying? So this is the look that I came up with, and if you guys want to see how I got it, stay tuned. And if you did not catch last week's Mardi Gras look, please click the card above and you'll get to see that creative look that I did as well. Love you guys. See you in the next video.
I'm about to start filming, but I just had to stop y'all. Like, when you are the Starbucks to your friends and family, cheers to you, my friend. This is an iced coffee with some caramel whip action going on. I'm gonna have a coffee shop because I'm the boss. I got good teas and I got good coffees. Yep. Sorry, I just had to share that. I just felt like sharing.
So we're gonna go ahead and get started on this side here. If you guys can see, I just turned this volume all the way down. Anyway, as you can see, it's a real soft burgundy reddish zinga type of eye. I decided to cat eye the liner, but then I was like, I just need a little something to jazz it up, and I just took a little bit of my glitter liner and, you know, went over top of my not like directly on top, but right above my winged eyeliner, just to give it some pizzazz because the eye is like monochromatic. So let's get started. What I started with was, let me get my palettes together because I used several. Okay, so these are BH Cosmetics Hot Pots, and I started out with the reddish brown, and then I went in a little bit with the chocolate brown. So just, I would say, just look. This is first I'm going in with the red brown. There was still a little bit of chocolate brown on the brush, but oh well. I'm going to add it to it anyway. And I tried to keep it right there. Keep that focus there. And then lightly just go up a little. And I'm going to pick up the chocolate, just a little bit of the chocolate right in there. And I like looks like this because you could be a little messy with the application. And it's Valentine's Day, and you just want to hurry up because I'm sure it's on a Tuesday, so you're probably going to be coming. Is it on Tuesday or Wednesday? It's in the middle of the week, and you're going to be going back and forth between work and stuff like that, so you need something quick and easy, you know? You feel me? So now that I've done that, I'm going to go into my Anastasia Modern Renaissance, and I'm going to get my Venetian red. Well, not yet. Not yet. I'm going to take a little bit of that orange Real Guard, and I'm going to first blend that. Now taking that Real Guard, getting it up and through here. To me, this is a very passionate color. Like, I don't know, felt like it was just, ooh, I love you. Like, I don't know, that's what I was feeling. So now that I've gotten that orange a little bit in there to make it a little more vibrante. I'm going to go in now with my flat shadow brush. And I'm going to pick up my Venetian red right there. It has a very low, it's like it has a sheen to it. It's not shimmery, nor is it matte. And yes, I'm just gonna pop that on the lid space. And now let's get that. Let's make it all one. Now, for the highlight of this show here. This is an NYX shadow from a palette from, you know, far, far away. I don't really know anymore because it's so old. I had depotted so many palettes. These are BH, NYX, and some more, either BH or Coastal Scents. Sorry, Coastal. I got Coastal, BH, and NYX all up and through here. But do you see this shimmer here? This burgundy shimmer. Gonna take about 2 or 3 swipes at it. Knock it off. But then get a little moisture on there. And yes, mobile lid space gets the shimmer. Yes. Must be windy outside. I hear some stuff. So, gauge the eyes, and they look very even. So, lastly, I know you're like, dang girl, that was quick. Yes, it was. Ain't got time for it. I got 4 kids. I want to be sexy and cute real quick, okay? Okay, and you see this is wrapped up. Wrapped. So, nice angled fluffy LA Colors contour. This is brow highlight here. And this will wipe away any lumps, bumps, lines, creases, anything. Oh, it just did it so nicely. Yes. Yes. Ah, yes! Okay, hold on. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the black liner real quick, and I'll be right back. I'm not even gonna lie. This eye has been very sensitive lately, and this just made it burn. I don't know what's going on with my eye, but if you have sensitive eyes, be careful with this. This is the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner Dramatic Sparkle. So for the, I feel like my lighting got extra weird. Oh, this is gonna bother me. Anyway, Anastasia to the rescue again. We're gonna pick up the, what did I pick up? The Venetian red, I believe again. Yes, Venetian red, the one I used on my lid. And I'm going to go under here. Sweep it, sweep it, sweep it. And I'm also going to pick up the Cypress brown, Cypress umber, just a little bit to deepen that part there and bring it out some. So it kind of smokes it in that corner there. Yeah. And I am now going to take a little bit of that gold glitter right here in the corner, just really quickly. I'm a little nervous now that I told you guys that it started to tingle my eye, but that's okay. The things you do for love. And I pat it in, and then I'm going to go in here to Primavera and add Primavera to the corner as well, so it gives it a little more strength, because that glitter by itself is very light, like small specks, a lot of space between them. You know, I can't, my brain is not working right now, I'm sorry. Get just a little bit. Boom, that's what I was looking for. Yes, yes, okay. And I'm going to do my lash off screen, but I'm going to go ahead and do the lip real quick. I'm going to wear my Blackberry Boutique lip crayon. And this is just to give the outside of my lips some depth. And these babies was moisturized. They was red tea. And I'm going to use my NYX Lingerie in Cabaret Show. I feel like this look is very soft and sweet with a sexy undertone, you know what I'm saying? But let me put this lash on and I'll be back with the highlight. Okay, so I'm using my Milani Day Glow Strobe Light. Oh, honey. Hey, honey. Like a genie on the reel. Honey. And we just want that, you know, soft, nice, come hither glow. You know, it's Valentine's Day. Hello, lover. Like Carrie did on a Sex and the City. I'm gonna need for my outside to stop making so much noise because it's making my nerves bad. Hey, honey, yes. So, because the glitter showed up on this side more than this side, I'm going to make it match. And, you know, pray for my steady hand. Stuff like this. Yeah, I'm not even gonna attempt it again because I think I did pretty good. And I will live and let live. So, this is the look that I came up with. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions about it, please hit me up down below and I will get at you as soon as I can. Bye guys. Happy Valentine's Day.